Step into the 2015 Hyundai Sonata SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: sunroof, power windows, tachometer, cruise control, remote power door locks, cruise controls on steering wheel, 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes, first and second row curtain head airbags and passenger airbag. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.